So I'm kind of starting the day 3 video at the end of day 3 with a little wrap up because I did an intro this morning, but kind of had a little change of plans, so that's not really how the day turned out. So here we are. It's almost midnight, day 3, and going for a little run on the beach. So in about 5 seconds, we'll be propelled about 12 hours back in time. So I'll see you at the gym. I wish this was my car. And we're back. Who doesn't like some supersets on shoulder day? Kill me now. Military muscles, let's see him again. Away. Still not my car. Birthday morning, sunset, round 2. Let's try this again. Definitely a better sunrise today than there was the other day. So today's actually a day I've been looking forward to for a long time. I get to see one of my best friends today. He actually lives in North Carolina, and we come from New Jersey, and that's where I go to school, so I don't get to see him very often when we're not at school. But due to some bad circumstances, he actually had to transfer schools, so I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to see him is. So I'm looking forward to seeing him in a little while, and today's going to be a really good day. So let's have some fun.
What's up? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Good.
Let the birthday celebrations begin.
A new pontoon. Go out now, hit the lake by noon. You bring the drinks, I crank the tunes. Get some hot sun, Jeep full of girls couldn't get no hotter. Flag 'em down, holler, won't you follow? There's a party floating on the water. It's going down right now. Come on, jump on the Brews, Brews, summer groove. I wanna see your booty move. Looks like you need another, so let me mix you up a redneck margarita. You know the one just straight tequila. All aboard, we're cutting loose. So come on, jump on the Brews cruise. You don't need no bait, no lime, because we're just catching your buzz.
This is the coolest bar I've ever been in. You walk into a big walk-in cooler and pick your beer out from this, and then bring it up to the bar and check it out. We're gonna have fun tonight.
wanna see your booty move. Woo! So many hotties, who wants to do about it? Shot off straight bikini, we call that a hillbilly martini.
So I know that keeping a tight diet is one of the most important aspects of fitness and just a healthy lifestyle in general. I've spent about the past 3 months counting all my macros, almost everything I've eaten, and that's what I credit to all my progress this summer, which is the most progress I've ever made in my life. But it's okay to let go sometimes on days like your birthday and just celebrate for a while. And that's exactly what I did. I enjoyed my day and I got right back on it today. So you can't kick yourself if you go on a binge or something like that, or if you have a bad day. You can't tell yourself you got to run 12 miles on the treadmill to make up for it. You just got to get back on your high horse and just keep doing what you're doing. But like I said, it's okay to let go every now and then. A couple drinks won't kill you. Just get back on it the next day and keep killing it. All right. Again, thank you everybody for all the birthday wishes. It was a great day. So time to get back at it.